Before the world begins to wake, a silent mirror starts to breathe. Morning whispers across the land, wrapped in colors words can't keep. The sky is painted soft with gold, a gentle promise of a brand new day. Every ripple tells a story, every sunrise lights the way. The mist is dancing on the water, slowly drifting with the breeze. Golden rays break through the silence, touching every waving reed. This is where the morning lives, where the sky and water meet. Over Huyskensplas we fly, watching nature wake in peace. The rivier de Maas keeps flowing on, like it has for centuries. Every sunrise tells another story, every flight creates a memory. Gray herons standing still in silence, watching waters crystal clear. Elegant swans begin their journey without a trace of fear. Wild geese rise into the heavens, drawing patterns in the sky. Many water birds together, greeting dawn as they fly by. Cattle quietly start grazing, morning dew upon the field. Everything feels calm and endless, nature's beauty fully revealed. A lone carp fisherman is waiting, floating softly in his aluminum boat. No hurry, no rush, no voices, only peaceful moments float. Beyond the trees, the towers rise, the closing trail greets the day. Far away lies Maasplassen, bathed in early golden rays. The fishing waters of Stevens Weird reflect the colors of the dawn. In the distance, the DJI welcomes yet another morn. This is more than simple scenery, more than water, sky and light. It's the heartbeat of the morning, captured in a peaceful flight. Over Huyskensplas dreams awaken, where the mist embraces light. Every sunrise tells a story, every memory takes flight. Blanket made of silver mist, slowly drifting over waves. The rising sun begins to paint the masterpiece the morning gave. Sunbeams breaking through the silence, like heaven opening its door. Every second feels eternal, leaving me wanting more. The drone keeps floating gently onward, above reflections soft and wide. Every movement tells a story, with nature always as my guide. No engines roaring through the silence, only birds begin to sing. Morning breathes across across the water, welcoming another spring. Fly with me above the water, where the peaceful moments stay. Over Huyskensplas forever, greeting yet another day. The rivier de Maas beside us flows beneath the golden sky. Every sunrise feels like magic, every dream begins to fly. Graceful herons guard the shoreline, standing proud without a sound. Swans glide over glassy waters, where endless beauty can be found. Wild geese rise beyond the sunrise, joining others overhead. Hidden birds among the reeds, where morning softly spreads. Cattle watch the quiet water, fields still covered by the dew. The peaceful life surrounding nature always feels completely new. A fisherman waits in silence, hope reflected in his eyes. His aluminum boat is drifting under soft awakening skies. The towers of the Grazing trail stand against the morning glow. Maasplassen slowly starts to sparkle as the first warm colors grow. The fishing lakes of Stevensweert sleep beneath the golden haze. Beyond lies the breathtaking, glowing in the sunrise blaze. Fly with me above the water, where the peaceful moments stay. Over Huyskensplas forever, greeting yet another day. The rivier de Maas beside us flows beneath the golden sky. Every sunrise feels like magic, every dream begins to fly. Every flight becomes a memory, every sunrise leaves its trace. Every morning tells a new story across this timeless place. Over Huyskensplas